Hey guys, welcome back to library. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020, and we only have today and then next Wednesday our last library classes. So I can't believe it's almost summer. I hope you guys are excited. I know summer will feel a little bit different this year, but hopefully you'll still be able to have a lot of fun and find some good books to read, right? I'm actually I'm wearing my Love Your Library shirt today. It says LYL for Love Your Library because I love my library and I hope that you guys do too. So today I'm going to read two books to you, and the first one is called Alma and How She Got Her Name, and my first graders should especially know this. This is a Caldecott Honor book, so it won the silver medal, which means it got second place, and this book came out in 2018, so 2 years ago it won the silver medal for Caldecott Honor, which means it has wonderful illustrations, so make sure you pay close attention to the illustrations. Alma and How She Got Her Name by Juana Martinez Neal. Alma Sofia Esperanza Jose Pura Candela had a long name. Too long, if you asked her. Can you imagine having to write all those names on your paper? That is a long name. My name is so long, Daddy, it never fits, Alma said. Come here, he said. Let me tell you the story of your name. Then you can decide if it fits. Sophia was your grandmother, he began. She loved books, poetry, jasmine flowers, and of course, me. She was the one who taught me how to read. There's a picture of her grandmother. I love books and flowers, and you too, Daddy. I am Sophia. Esperanza was your great-grandmother, he continued. She hoped to travel but never left the city where she was born. Her only son grew up to cross the 7 seas. Wherever her sailor son went, so did Esperanza's heart. So Esperanza is her great-grandmother. The world is so big. I want to go see it, Daddy. You and me together. I am Esperanza. Jose was my father, Alma's dad said. He was an artist with a big family like many people had back then. Early each morning he walked to the mountains and to the plazas to paint everyday life. Sometimes I went along. Your grandfather taught me to see and love our people. I wake up early every day and I draw a lot too. This morning I drew a kitty for you, Dad. I am Jose. So she's finding out all these ways she's similar to the people she was named after. Pura was your great aunt. She believed that the spirits of our ancestors are always with us, watching over us. When you were born, she tied a red string around your wrist, a charm to keep you safe. Hello, Pura. It's me, Alma. Candela was your other grandmother. She always stood up for what was right. I am Candela. So she feels a connection to all these people that she was named after. I love the story of my name. Now tell me about Alma, Daddy. Where does that come from? I picked the name Alma just for you. You are the first and the only Alma. You will make your own story. Alma Sofia Esperanza Jose Pura Candela. That's my name and it fits me just right. I am Alma and I have a story to tell. The end. So, do you guys know who you're named after? Are you named after a relative, or maybe your parents just liked the name when they heard it? I know for me, my first name is Emily, and my parents just really like the name Emily. But then my middle name is Margaret, which is named after my dad's grandmother and my mom's grandmother. So that's kind of cool to have a family name that way. And my husband's name is Anthony, which is his papa's name. And then his middle name is Robert, which is his grandpa's name. So he's named after both of his grandfathers. So take a minute and ask your parents why they picked your name. Maybe they named you after someone in your family or someone famous that they were really inspired by. It's kind of fun to figure out why you are named what you are. Hope you guys like that story. We have another story called Thunder Boy Jr. So, wonder why his name is Thunder Boy. Seems interesting. On the front of this book, I see a boy, and maybe that's his dad holding him on his shoulders. Let's find out. Thunder Boy Jr. by Sherman Alexie and illustrated by Yuyi Morales. Hello, my name is Thunder Boy. Thunder Boy Smith. That's my real name. My dad gave it to me at birth. My mom wanted to name me Sam. Sam is a good name. Sam is a normal name. Thunder Boy is not a normal name. So in this story, we're learning about names too. It's kind of a cool connection, huh? There is nobody on earth with the same name as me. I am the only Thunder Boy who has ever lived. Or so you would think. But I am named after my dad. He is Thunder Boy Smith Sr., and I am Thunder Boy Smith Jr. Have you ever met someone named Thunder Boy before? I haven't. People call him Big Thunder. That nickname is a storm filling up the sky. People call me Little Thunder. That nickname makes me sound like a burp or a fart. My mother's name is Agnes. My sister's name is Lillian. Those are fancy names, but they are normal names. Thunder Boy Jr. is not even close to normal. Can I tell you a secret? Come over here. I'll whisper it in your ear. I hate my name. Wow, he feels very strongly about that. Oops. Don't get me wrong, my dad is awesome, but I don't want to have the same name as him. I want my own name. I want a name that sounds like me. I want a name that celebrates something cool that I've done. I once touched a wild orca on the nose, so maybe my name should be Not Afraid of 10,000 Teeth. I once climbed a mountain, so maybe my name should be Touch the Clouds. He's trying to come up with a new name because he does not like his name. I love playing in the dirt, so maybe my name should be Mud in His Ears. I learned to ride a bike when I was 3, so maybe my name should be Gravity's Best Friend. I once dreamed the sun and moon were my mom and dad, so maybe my name should be Starboy. I like to go to garage sales with my mom, so maybe my name should be Old Toys Are Awesome. Have you ever wanted to have a different name? My dog likes to chase his tail. He likes to chase my tail. So maybe my name should be Can't Run Fast While Laughing. I love powwow dancing. I'm a grass dancer. So maybe my name should be Drums, Drums, and More Drums. So it looks like he's part of the Native American culture. And this is what he wears when he drums. Beautiful outfit. I dream of traveling the world, so maybe my name should be Full of Wonder. I do not want the name they gave me when I was born. I do not want to be Little Thunder. I do not want to be small. I love my dad, but I don't want to be exactly like him. I love my dad, but I want to be mostly myself. I love my dad, but I want to have my own name. What do I do? What do I say? Son, I think it's time I gave you a new name, a name of your own. My dad read my mind. My dad read my heart. Son, your name will still be Thunder, but your new name will be... So many guesses of what it might be? Lightning. Together, my dad and I will become amazing weather. Our love will be loud and it will be bright. So Thunder Boy and Lightning. My dad and I will light up the sky. The end. So, without even realizing it, both of these books had to do with names, which is really cool. So if you think about maybe something you like, because in the story he was trying to give himself lots of different names based on things that he likes to do or things he wants to do when he grows up. So I was thinking, I obviously love books and love the library, so maybe if I had a name, I could be Book Lover. So think about something that you like, and what do you think your name would be if you could change your name to anything that would describe you? All right, guys, I really enjoyed those stories. I hope that you enjoyed them too. Next week, like I said, will be our last library class, and I'll miss you guys all over the summer so much, but I can't wait to see you, hopefully again, whenever we get back to school. So I have included the choice board if you want to find an activity to do. They are the same activities as last week because I was thinking maybe not everyone got a chance to do some of the activities that were on there, so I didn't want to change them because there's some good ones. So find something that you like to do, or just keep reading books at home. There's no such thing as too much reading, right? That's what I think anyway. So I miss you all, like I said, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!